Across the last 40 years, ordinary people's rights at work in this country have been drastically diminished. Now that's happened because of the privatisation of vast swathes of our industry, an epidemic of outsourcing, huge increases in the amount of agency working. We've seen all of that in education, and systematic attack after attack on trades unionism. The combination of that has drastically reduced rights at work and drastically increased inequality in our country. Yet across that whole time, we've been told there's no alternative. We've been told this is the only way to organise and run a modern economy. And do you know, that's just not true. The ideology underlying it of neoliberalism is past its sell-by date. There are all sorts of indications that a change is needed. Across that whole 40 years, unions like mine, the National Education Union, have been working to defend workers' rights. But we know that as well as trades unionism, we need a legislative programme. We need legislation in place which can eliminate cowboy operators, which can allow us to bargain across whole sectors. And one of the organisations we've been working with for the last 30 years, the IER, the Institute of Employment Rights, has recently come up with a manifesto for labour law. Now this manifesto, if it were implemented, would have extremely positive effects in our country. And I'm really pleased to say that parliamentarians are really starting to look at this proposed legislation and to see its benefits. So Labour, the Greens, parliamentarians in other parties are seeing there can be an alternative. So at this 30-year anniversary of the IER, we wish them all great success, and we really hope that the Manifesto for Labour Law can soon become a legislative programme for a government in this country. It would make us more equal. It would allow you to have better rights at work.